think this is live now. It came out. It's called SEO Star. Fresh out this morning. It's supposed to be 11 a.m. Eastern. It's going to go live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. SEO Star is a thing that allows you to launch your own SEO business. You're going to provide the SEO services. Wow, that sounds scary. I don't know enough. Well, what do you think? For $16.93, you can provide your own SEO services, and you can sell SEO services. Let's take a quick look inside. You're going to go, wow. So again, it's $16.93 as we speak right now. Let's go look inside. I want to go up on this. I'll just quickly run through here, uncover the keywords, generate thousands of keywords, SEO-optimize your pages. Hey, that sounds great for $16.93. Even more than that. So here you go. This is what it does. And again, you can do this for others. Log into the software. Bam, bam. You can do that. Automate any of 44 different SEO services for #1 rankings for yourself or sell to clients. You can see all the different backlinks and different things that are available there. And here we go. Enjoy free passive SEO traffic to your site and get sales from your services. So you can offer this to others. And let's see if we can, here you go. There you go. Blah, 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 blah. For also, again, at $16.93 for the software. And we'll do a deep audit for $440. They're selling it for all sorts of prices. Here's a list of all the things. And I'm going to cut it short here. I'm going to say, hey, click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You click the product box, you're at this page. You can read the different features. You can watch the demo video. $16.93, fresh out this morning. So it's not going to get any cheaper than that. Click the link, grab a copy of this. Your own SEO is worth $16 to you. And to sell it to other people is worth $16 to you. It's a heck of a deal. Check it out. Fresh out today, SEO Star. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com.